Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to archive a group chat using WhatsApp Web on your PC. Archiving chats is a great way to declutter your chat list while keeping the conversations accessible whenever you need them. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser. You can do this by visiting web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code using your phone's WhatsApp app. Once you're logged in, all your chats will appear on the screen. Next, locate the group chat you want to archive. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the group, click to enter the conversation. Now comes the key step. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E on your keyboard. This shortcut is specifically designed for archiving chats on WhatsApp Web. As soon as you press it, the group chat will be moved from your main chat list into the archive section. And that's it. Your group chat is now archived, helping you keep your chat list organized and clutter-free. Remember, archiving doesn't delete the conversation. It simply moves it out of sight while keeping all messages intact for future reference. This method is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their WhatsApp experience without losing important conversations. Try it out and enjoy a cleaner interface.